Who want done with this mask wearing bullshit in Jamaica? Who would fit dead I go dead and who not go dead just for just live?
You're serious?
People, welcome back to Yard Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel, people. Big up in yourself once again. So today we're going to talk about Buju Banton, people. Who fi dead I go dead. Jesus, Buju. I tell you, people. So today, people, Buju went, and it wasn't Instagram live. He uploaded like 3 different videos talking about the coronavirus, people. Just check it out and I'm going to give you my opinion on what he said. And remember, people, this is my opinion on this.
Well, someone side I and ask if everything alright. I tell the brethren, no, everything not alright and everything can't alright. Who want done with this mask wearing bullshit in Jamaica? Who would fit dead I go dead and who not go dead just for just live? With either you intellectual fools trying to tell us how to live our life. You are so smart but you haven't found a cure for cancer. You are both all out in a line and putting the Jamaican people in abject fear and driving us all to poverty. What have you done for all those who you have laid off and made them business close early? Jamaican people need to wake up. I'm done with the fuckery. Jamaican people need to wake up. But now we're no mask. Because man no for mask no make for man. So hear this. And from September and January we about I'm gonna fuck with the people them. Free my people. Free my people. Now. They taught you to love Michael Jackson. Then they taught you to hate Michael Jackson. They taught you to love Bill Cosby. Then they taught you to hate Bill Cosby. Don't you see that they have been lying to us for all these times? So why should we believe them now? Why? How ironic it is that this virus actually is more intelligent than man. It's like it move and follow in certain individuals wherever they go. My people, we better wake up because we go and find out. First and foremost, Jamaicans on selling a vote, you know. And from on selling a vote, you know, no sense. So anything can happen right now. Wise up and stand up on the last chance before we reach the precipice.
So my thing is, people, this come off very ignorant to me. Me not gonna lie. This came off very ignorant. And Buju have a platform where we expect him, if him gonna talk about something, not really come with the negativity about though wearing masks. Cause the government is trying to put something in place to protect the Jamaican people. And here we have big icon Buju Banton come out say, yo, done with the mask thing, no wear no mask. And him have a lot of influence, people. So by him telling him that, or telling the people that, all of them are go out there and say, oh, Buju, say, me not wear no mask, or who already believe, say, coronavirus no real. They might just go out there and cause menace to the people them who are trying to protect themselves. And people, me truly believe coronavirus is real because I know people who have caught coronavirus, people. People have died from this. Just the other day, Tootsie Bird, reggae icon, died from coronavirus, people, from COVID-19. I go come and I talk about who fi dead, I go dead. Done with the mask wearing thing. No, man, people, that to me, that come out very ignorant. If I that to believe in, that's what you believe in. But now come influence some Jamaican into what you think it is. Me never hear mask kill nobody yet, you know. Me not since coronavirus start, I haven't heard somebody say, oh, me never wear the mask and the mask kill me. I have yet to hear that news. So let who want wear the mask. If you feel like you don't believe in a coronavirus or you're not supposed to wear the mask, all right then. Just give the people them space who actually have on the mask and protect themselves. Give them 6 feet, 10 feet. You see me, people? Cause me not understand how a man fear burn out wearing mask and yet he was selling masks on his website. Yes, people, he was selling face masks on his website. So I don't know if it's a business venture whenever work out. So him decide say him a go burn out the mask cause you play hypocrite. You playing hypocrite right there, so cause how you go I do something and I sell a product and then you come on social media and say, oh, don't wear mask, him burn out mask. Like, people, come on now, that don't make no sense. This are the result of linking up with Kanye, you know. Because Buju did in a studio with Kanye the other day, and look at now, Buju come out and act and I say things where Kanye probably would have said, which no make no sense, people. As me say, you know, can beat me all I want in the comment section, but this is just my opinion. Because even Buju Banton 2 daughter has come out and go against what Buju is actually saying. Hobby, so Abihail Myrie tweeted, so anyway, y'all, wear your mask. Her sister, Jodian Myrie, retweeted that and said, reiterated, exclamation mark, people. So both young ladies are telling Jamaican people, say, now listen what my daddy has say, you know, wear in a mask, put on in a mask, and let him lead in a street and tell no foolishness, wear your mask. Listen, Buju Banton have money and can say anything he wants to say, you know, people. Because when the government give, you know, citations and tickets for going to establishment without a mask, Buju Banton can pay that. Poor people, no money for spend money on citations and tickets. So it's your choice. If you do not believe in a coronavirus, stay in the yard. What people feel to understand, you know, not everything is a conspiracy. Not everything that happens in the world is a conspiracy and it was all planned by the government to destroy such and such. Not everything is a conspiracy, people. First they were saying, oh, a 5G tower caused this. They have come about with so many theories and conspiracy as why all this is happening. Hundreds and thousands of people has lost their lives, people. You have people who works in the hospital that have to be dealing with this, have to be taking care of sick patients day in and day out. So what they're giving these people something to make them believe, say, oh, them have coronavirus. Like, people just automatically just pop up in a hospital with coronavirus. People, not everything is conspiracy theory. Not everything in our blame by government, people. Me are telling you, for opening our eyes. As me say, this is my opinion. You know, free if you beat me in the comment section with, you know, theories and why coronavirus not real. Drop it in the comment section why coronavirus is not real, people. More here. Give me some details and some backstories onto why it's not real and why people are dead same way. And don't come with the the common flu, and give me some details. Let me engage with it and have a discussion on this coronavirus. And me know people agree with Buju and what Buju is saying, but if you don't agree with Buju, let me know the reason why you don't agree with Buju. So I'm reading some of the comments that people was leaving on the videos. One girl said, him have sense. Another person said, don't tell him to say the governments of the world are use corona to brainwash uno. But most of them not going to realize when it's too late. So brother, if you said that, drop some details on why the government of the world are use corona for brainwash we. Somebody else said, then you don't wear it, brother, and catch it and dead. I saw. Your choice. You see me? So man say, yeah, you can, if you don't want to wear it and dead, your choice, no wear it. Somebody else said the ignorance is baffling. Somebody else said adjust the truth. Another person goes on to say, what kind of weed Buju goes burning at the early morning, yeah God. It too early, me G. Somebody else said, know how long me I talk about them corona. Another young lady said, I miss off, or was this just insensitive? An opinion is an opinion still. Just don't make it appear as facts. Which is true, cause me I telling you my opinion on what I think of what Buju said earlier today. And that's just my opinion. Cause I guarantee you, if you ask 100 people what them think of what Buju said earlier today, you're gonna get probably 100 different response of people's opinion and them stating what them think. Everybody has different opinions on certain topics, and this is just one of them. People believe coronavirus is real, people don't. What we are gonna do? We can't change their mind on what they are thinking. So as I say, people, I don't know the reason behind, Buju coming out and saying this, and he went on to talk about Michael Jackson, how, them teach us to love Michael Jackson, and them also teach us to hate Michael Jackson. Them teach us to love Bill Cosby, and them also teach us to hate Bill Cosby. Which that's another opinion that people can get into discussion with at the same time and, elaborate on it and what he's saying, if that's facts. Because people are going to have different opinion on it as well. But people, as I said, there is a lot going on in the world right now. There is a lot. There is so much things going on in Nigeria. So I think Buju should just focus him energy on, sending out his prayers or whatever to the people of Nigeria. And you have a platform, just use it and do the right thing. No bashing of nothing right now, people, because everybody's going through a lot. You see me? But people, let me know in the comment section what y'all think about this. Just drop some comments and let's have a discussion on this, people. All right? Much love and appreciation. Big up in yourself, people. One love.